It's a beautiful sunny day in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. I'm here to show you this 5-bedroom triplex. This triplex, sitting on 2 floors, comprises of a gym, a cinema, an open rooftop terrace, and a swimming pool. Without further ado, I'm going to take you into this house. This house has very quality finishing, and it's in a very beautiful call to access estate, and it's very spacious. It's presently in the market for 430 million naira. I'm sure you're going to like it. So I'm going to first of all show you the environment. Some of it has been interlocked, but this particular part, because they were just undergoing construction work, has not been interlocked. But trust me, it will be. There's 1 or 2 other constructions going on, so it will. But now it hasn't been. It's very, very motorable. Like you can drive your car on it as it is. So let me take you right now into the house. But there are houses all over. You can see that there are houses all around the house. So this particular one is actually a corner piece, so it has a lot of spaces. There are 3 that were constructed by the same developer, but it's just one left. It's just this one that I'm showing you guys left. So there were 3, but just one left. So let me take you into the house right now. You can see that the compound is elevated from the street. As you can see the drainages are covered right here and right here. The drainages are covered. So let me take you into the house now. You can see that it's a stamped floor, polished already, really nice. It's a roll gate already. So this compound space can conveniently take 3 cars. So this is where your carport will stay. You can see that there are already plants at the side. It's a little now, but depends on the type of plants you like, or this, depending on how you like plants. So you can have plants all the way down. So let me take you into the compound right now. You can see that there are lights on. Particular house has really good finishing. I'm just about to show you now. So I'm taking you to the back of the house that has the swimming pool. Let's go right in. You can see that the stamp floor over, then the lights at the side. So you can see that it's short fence because it's an estate and there's security within the estate. In fact, it's a call to access estate. So this is the back where the swimming pool is. So you can see the green grass already used to it to beautify it. So this is the swimming pool. It's quite a big swimming pool. Then that's the waterfall right there. So this is the entirety of the sitting room. So this is the machine for the swimming pool. So I'm taking you guys around. So I'll take you around. So this is the side of the house. So let me show you the gym. So this is the gym, just faces the swimming pool. This is the gym. This is the gym right here. So let me take you inside the gym. So you don't have to bother about going. Oh, the gym is locked now, but this is the gym. I'll show you from outside, and that's the BQ. The BQ and the gym is locked. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is it. This is it right now. This is it. So this is the back of the kitchen where the door is. So there's a pathway that leads to the door. So let me take you around and go to the front. You know how we do it here. I will show you from the surrounding, and then take you right inside the house. So this is the side. This side of the house is not quite as big as the other side, but yeah, this is what it is. And the lights on the wall everywhere. The lights on the wall. Lights. I told you that there are three of them were constructed, but there are just 2 left. So I'm back to the front of the house now. The compound space is quite sizable. It's sitting on a 400 square meters parcel of land. So this is it. So I'm going to show you from top to bottom, the top to bottom, top to bottom. So let me take you inside right now. So we're approaching the staircase that leads into the living room. So this is the staircase. I'm taking you right into the living room now. Yeah, so this is the door. The door. This is the door. It's not a smart lock, but of course you can fit a smart lock there. And this is the visitor's toilet. The toilet hasn't been fixed, but the toilet will be fixed right here. Then this is the vanity, and then the mirror will be kept there, and the wash hand basin right here. It will be fixed. It hasn't been fixed yet, but of course it will be fixed. But I just wanted you to, have a feel. But then it's a good thing when you come at this point. So in case, you can ask them to show you an idea of what they wanted to put there. If you don't like it, you can remove it at this time. So it shows that you're able to have a say in the kind of things that they are putting into your house, right? So this is the living room. This is the living room. This is the entirety of the living room, right? So this is the living room, and this is the console. The console is wood paneling, and wood here. So this is wood, this is wood, this is wood. They're just different types of wood, but this is really nice because it looks like marble. Then that's the console and the electronic stand. So it has high windows. It's really high, so it helps for ventilation. So up there you see a speaker, you see the chandelier here, and then spotlights. There's another speaker at the other side. So it's really high, so it helps for a lot of ventilation. Then this area is where the dining area will see chairs and table will stay. So this is dining area here. Then this is the chandelier here, right? I showed you the chandelier up there, right? So this is it. Then you can have like a wine bar, decor here, however you want it there, but something really pretty can stay here, right? So this is the door that leads into the kitchen. So let me take you into the kitchen now. So this is the kitchen. You can see the glass spaces here, the glass wardrobes here, drawers here. Look at this here. Then this is the washing machine. Then this is the double sink right here with the tap. Then there's another one here. So the good thing about this is that everybody is not clustered at this point. So one person can be doing stuff here, cooking and all, and the other person can be washing up the dishes at the other side, not clustering each other. And this the heat extractor and the gas cooker will stay here. This is the space for it. It's already been bought. It will be fixed. And this is more drawer space. There's a lot of storage spaces here, a whole lot. Then that's the cooker and the oven. Then there's a fridge here, a double door fridge here. Yeah, then there's more storage space here. Then look at that island. It's so beautiful. Really lovely island. And it has storage space as well. Storage space as well, yes. So that's it. Then look at that chandelier for the kitchen. Then it also has speakers. Look at the spotlights as well, right? Then this is the pantry. That's the pantry here. And this is the door that leads outside. It's not opened. That's the door. So if you ask me, this kitchen is quite a sizable kitchen. There's also an AC plate here in case you want to install your AC. So this is the entirety of the kitchen. It's quite a modern kitchen. So it's really beautiful and very spacious. You see enough space for people to do. You can just laugh and everything inside the kitchen. So let me take you into the guest room now. So this is the guest room right beside the kitchen. So there are a lot of things here, but of course it will be removed at the point of payment. So this room can conveniently take a 6x4 bed. This is the wardrobe here. I like the fact that it's buried into the wall, so it's not no stress or anything. Then look at how intentional they are. So you can put your shoes down there, then you can have your clothes and all that arranged here. It's quite a good enough space for this guest room. So this is the sink and the toilet right here, then the shower cubicle here as well. So this is all of the guest room. So this is the entire space of the guest room, which is quite sizable if you ask me. So I'm going to be taking you into the house now. So we're going upstairs. So there's a lot of wooden design in here. Really good, really beautiful, beautifying the house so nicely. Let me take you upstairs now. So this is upstairs. Yeah, so like I said, it's a triplex. So it's a two-floor house for those that love two-floor houses, because what that does is that it now gives enough room, enough space within the house. So this is the family lounge right here. Look at that chandelier there. And this is the light we saw from downstairs. This is so let me take you into the room. So this is like a box room. This is this box room where you keep your stuff here. Then this place is one of the rooms. You can see that it's very sizable. Pretty much the same thing. It has this wardrobe buried in, right? Then a chandelier will be put there. Then that's the speaker. Then, of course, the sink will be installed here. Toilet, shower, cubicle, shower. So like I said, this is actually even a good time. So you can tell them, oh no, I want to be a part of, the finishing of this house. I don't like this, I like that, You can impute whatever you want into that space. So this is another room. This is the wardrobe again. put into the wall. So this is the third room we're checking out today. A 6 by 4 bed conveniently will stay here. So it's pretty much the same thing. They're going to put a sink here, the toilet and the shower cubicle will be here. No doubt it will be done, right? But this is the best time to key in. So this is the fourth room. This is the fourth room. So this is the wardrobe buried in. Then the toilet and bath is hidden here. So that's the bathroom, the toilet, and the sink right here. So the sink will be done. Then there'll be a mirror here as well, and every other thing complete before anybody moves into this house. But it's 6 by 4. This is a quite a sizable room, right? I've shown you 1, 2, 3 rooms now. So let's see the other parts of the house. Let's see the other parts of the house. So this is the pathway that leads to the balcony. So there are 3 rooms on this floor. Actually, there are 3 rooms and the box room on this floor. So 1 room downstairs, that's 4. So we've seen 4 rooms now. So this is the small balcony that this person can enjoy. Look at the balcony. So you can have decor kept here to like a chair, a lounge chair and all that kept here too, if you don't mind. So we're going to the very final floor that has the cinema and the master's bedroom. So we're off there now. So this is the staircase. So this is the final floor now, right? So I'm going to take you guys into so this is the cinema. This is the cinema. This is the cinema. It's not been done. Like this is just a cinema space. So it's now your choice to decide to use it as a cinema or an office, but it's totally your choice. But this is the space. That's the AC planes. There's no bathroom or toilet here, so it's the cinema. You can choose to do with it what you will. So let me show you the master's bedroom, the final bedroom in the house. Voila! So this is the master's bedroom. Look at that wardrobe space. Look at that console, all white console. Then look at that glass space at the side and enough windows for ventilation. Then let's go into the walk-in closet. Look at that walk-in closet right here. Look at the wardrobes. Then look at this wardrobe here. Yeah, and look at this here. The developers took time in finishing this house very well. Look at this bathroom. So there's a double door sink. There's a double sink, and then the toilet, the bathtub, and the shower cubicle. It's quite big with a lot of lights buried in there. You know, it's quite big, enough space to do whatever you want to do here, you know, at the same time, right? There's going to be like a small island in the middle here. Here, this is it. But yeah, the room is quite sizable. It's really, really sizable. It's a big room. So let me take you now to the rooftop terrace. So here we're going to the rooftop terrace now. So this is the rooftop terrace. The rooftop terrace. You can see that this terrace has already been what's it called, tiled. So it's tiled already, and that's the flood drain to drain the water. So you're not going to have any issues of flooding here. Look at it here. So what then happens is that you can put your green grass here. You can have your chairs for hanging out and all that. It's, you know, rooftop terraces are actually a delight. You can have a small get together here, you know, just have some fun. So this is it. It's quite nice. So this house is on the market for 430 million naira, and like as you can see, it has a lot of space. So this is a tour of a 5-bedroom house, a triplex sitting on 2 floors, with the governor's consent and a building approval. So call the number on the caption of this video if you're in the market searching and you have 430 million naira to buy this house. I think this is a good buy for you. Call the number and I'll give you a seamless purchase experience. My name is Antonia, your irresistible lady realtor. Thank you for always watching, liking, and commenting on my own video. Till my next video, it's bye for now. I love you all.